Serious. I would like to talk about COP32. It was held in the last quarter of also 2023 in Dubai. This is a climate change summit. It's a significant one. Every year the UN is holding the sounds on the climate change at the sounds summit, and the United Nations in this it is also climate change it is also summit. Nearly 200 countries participated. It was held in Dubai. Why it was selected, the place selected is also in Dubai. Fossil fuel is causing a more damages when it's transformed into usage fuel. Automatically, when it's transformed to the usage fuel, it exposes the also really or express it is also express out the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a major causes for the climate changes. Now the rainy days get drought, and another drought days get rains. So now it has become the commons even in India. Even in the India, that's also in more developing countries and underdeveloped countries, they are facing the climate changes due to the fossil fuels transformation. The fossil fuel transformation happens maximum that's also in the Middle East because they explore and take a more oils and more fossil fuels, and they supply to the world nations. The world nations hesitate to take action on it to frame the local municipal law in controlling the climate change works. But India has adopted as also more new mechanism in transforming these as also fossil fuel. At also the same time, India gets in the crude oil in the form of the crude oil only, and they transform into the local oil in it. But whatever may be, climate change is caused by the carbon dioxide. It has to be controlled. The green space is also is very important. Green energy is very important. So in order to have the green energy from the solar powers and wind powers, maximum countries are moving more. Despite it, and we have to find a new mechanism to control the fossil fuel transformation. But we don't have any other sources to do. Despite it, the summit is going to educate the people, educate the representatives, and more things. In this summit, the last summit, the also really the Paris is also agreement was adopted by all the countries. But in this summit, a new agreements have been put between the countries. The USA for the first time has agreed for the loss and damage fund, but it has not. That's also done, but it has admitted. But now all the loss and damage being caused by the countries have to pay the loss and damage fund, whereby the developing or really developed, underdeveloped, and affected countries will get this fund and rectify their climates. So the environmental and green space and green energy, which are very important. That's why even in India, we are doing a more it is also green energy based, it is also vehicles and everything, and we have to adopt it. Thank you.